I tried the blade.
Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. That is nice. Custom Empire. Wow.
I want to split some bass.
Is that a 10 or a 12-inch port?
It's 10.
Whew.
Do you see we match the color? We try to match the color with the seat. Also, we powder coating wheels on the same color.
Yes, I noticed that. You kind of have the cosmetic look that matches. Wow.
And
so what subs are these?
It's 215s DB4.
Where's the amps? Right there?
It's everything
wow.
right there. It's like a 4800. This is Brazilian amp, Brazilian technology.
Okay.
Apocalypsis.
And the battery.
Yeah, and do you see it's got like a
Bluetooth charging or portable charging system.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Oh, no shit. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, you can just set it there and charge it. That's awesome. Who's the owner of this?
The owner, the name this guy Ethan. He's got
Ethan. Okay. Ethan.
Do you see this is green Supra on the back?
Yeah. I see it. Okay.
This is
Okay.
same guy.
Gotcha.
Same
All right. Can I shut the door?
Yeah.
Oh, this is clean.
Yeah. Do you see this is speaker grills?
Yes.
Actually, I ordered this
Custom
speaker
Empire.
from my friend from Russia.
Really? Russia.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
You know, maybe you saw so many guys in US do the same
seen it.
same
Same concept, similar.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
noticed that. Yes.
It's like a double metal mesh.
So it's kind of like a laser cut engraved, fabricated,
Yeah. And
cover?
powder coating.
powder coated. Yes. What is it tuned to?
32 hertz.
Wow. That's a good tuner. I like the plexiglass look to it too, man. See everything.
Also installed the LED lights at nighttime. And do you see? Just show it's got the cup holders on a
You had to fabric.
pillar and a pillar, yeah.
The
It's
pillar
minimal.
cup holders. That's a good idea. Custom fabric. Awesome.
on dick, man, your girlfriend is a chick. That pussy up, Gucci man. Shirt in Miami, the word you can call me. Mama, damn, I swear that bitch is a cook. So fine, I'll
Guy just tried to be like build like a party truck. This is this way he's got four people.
Yeah, you can
inside
fit
it.
everybody in the seats, and you got your
And
still stereo system.
If you look on the back, in the back, this is big tank. This is a tank for E85.
Oh, so you could go a long distance with this.
No, I mean about he's actually got this truck for one reason, for they moved the E85 for the Supra.
Oh, yeah.
For this
Okay.
Green Supra.
Okay,
and
gotcha.
he's got also GTR.
Wow, awesome.
I want to play some, you know, like a club music.
Okay.
But for this, I want to open this door, you know.
Yeah, you want me to open the door here? All right.
Let's go outside.
Rolling the dro. Rolling the dro. Rolling the dro, high in the clouds, I stay in the zone. Keep it homegrown, money I'm blown. If it ain't unallowed, I'm on my way home. Rolling the dro. Rolling the dro, high in the clouds, I stay in the zone. Keep it homegrown, money I'm blown. If it ain't unallowed, I'm on my way home. Rolling the dro, 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 rolling the dro, 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 rolling the dro, 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 rolling the dro, 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 dro. For the bass to drop, don't stop, 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 stop. Getting ready for the bass to drop, don't stop, 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 stop.
After when I build this project, I want to build something with my own,
Similar.
Yeah,
That's
this
a good
is,
idea.
It's good stuff, and it's rear seats. It's exactly the same like at the front one.
Yeah, I like how you do. That looks, it matches. You have a nice theme to it too. Awesome. Thanks, man, for showing me. That's awesome. What was your name again?
Glad to see you again, Ivan.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you. That's awesome.
bitches a couple. Flying out the on my head. I fuck your girlfriend, getting like I high in the clouds, I stay in the zone. Keep it homegrown, money I blow. If it ain't on that line, I'm on my way home. Rolling some rolling some rolling
Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.